picture for Mickey. Yes. I only got the one picture. I was too busy. You're too busy celebrating?
He's gone, Lee. Get over him.
Got a crush on Mickey?
Oh, yeah.
I would like to introduce myself. Lena, I'm gonna be your safari guide. Hi, friends. Really important question. Are we ready to safari? I like that answer. You know what? Just for that one, I've got a present for you. Right above your head is an animal spotting guide. That's a pretty good representation of the friends we're going to see. But you may notice that you're not on it. Oh yeah, we ask you keep those booties planted at all times. We don't need any extra additions to our safari today. Now our fluffy friends are already getting pretty close, so we gotta make sure we're keeping all those appendages inside the vehicle. So on the left, sure enough, some hippos. Now our hippos will lay rather just hang out underwater, having a good time. Oh well, hi, playing peekaboo today, aren't we? We got a lot more friends to see, so we do have to keep moving.
That was a baby.
I want to stay with you too. Hold on tight, because coming up on my left-hand side are the two things going on. Bar, Nile, crocodile. Love to show off those pearl whites. Usually they're not there in the rest of nature. But don't you worry, they can be pretty gentle. Sometimes they'll take their very own eggs in their mouth, roll them around, and get them against their teeth to encourage them to hatch. Now, when their babies are still just a little too tiny to travel, the mama's gonna scoop them all up in her mouth. My right-hand side, the baobab tree. Now, it's also known as the tree of life. And if you're looking nice and close, you may notice, well, it doesn't have any leaves on it. That's because it's trying to conserve as much water as possible within its very own branches, even its trunks. Now, elephants are known to hang around these trees, especially as a secondary source of water. So I got a feeling we're going to be seeing a few more in the future, friends. Now, these friends may look cute and cuddly, but they have over a 90% success rate. They take turns chasing their prey till they finally reach the brink of exhaustion. So it guarantees them a nice, easy meal. They're quite cute, but you don't want to pet them. They're kind of like the forbidden puppies. Oh, yeah. They're one of our beautiful wildebeest. Now we're gonna let him take his time because if one wildebeest runs, well, they all run. If this can cause a stampede, we've seen the Lion King. We know how this goes, huh? Now when they're finally ready to relax, to all sleep facing different directions. It's just in case some predator sneaks up on them. Some more wildebeest! Oh yeah, so they're a little busy snacking, huh? Okay, we'll let you enjoy your meal. Now, quite a few more wildebeest. Even looks like we got our own tower of terror. You're just gonna creep up on them. Still go poly though, nice and slowly. Okay, hey, at least we're getting some great view of our wildebeest, you know. There should not be anybody else. Oh, there we go. Our beautiful Maasai giraffe. Now we can tell they're Maasai in particular because those dark rigid spots. These friends even baby Humphrey grows up to 20 feet tall thanks to that long neck. But the buffaloes, through all that, they're going to need a pretty big old heart. So Humphrey's heart's going to grow up to 2 feet long, over 25 pounds. It can hold a whole lot of love, that's for sure. But if you look a little closer, you may even see their purple tongues. Now, giraffes sleep for 16, even 20 hours a day. That purple coloration will help protect them from sunburn. That way they can keep on snacking and grow big and tall. On my right, we do have a big boy, though, or two. Our male African elephants. Now, you see, they're a little warm out there today. They're trying to hang down, take nice and cool by flapping those ears. So it looks like one friend's hanging out in the shady spot. The other friend, well, he's just looking for a good snack, huh? Now we can see that they're flapping their ears. They have hundreds of blood vessels throughout each one. So that flapping motion will help cool the blood inside. It'll cool them internally up to 15 degrees. Now, of course, those big old ears are great for hearing. But elephants, they have some other unique senses as well. But up ahead now, we've got the real party animals. And these are our greater flamingos. Now, if you're looking nice and close at our feathered friends, you may notice that some of them don't look very pink yet. That's because when they first hatch, they come out completely gray. Oh yes, you're very pink. We see you. Now they do get their beautiful coloration around 2 years of age. That's when they finally eat enough brine shrimp to turn completely But friends, if you're trying to turn pink on your very own, you may have a bit of a hard time. Those brine shrimp are nearly microscopic. Plus, I just don't think they're going to share, huh?
Nope.
Oh,
They're saying no.
Okay, let's get a few more friends. But first, it's going to get a little
Nope,
bumpy.
I'm gonna share.
Hold on, everyone. Strong enough for a full-grown man to jump on, and it's not going to crack. But one single ostrich egg has the same nutritional value as about 24 regular chicken eggs. So imagine having one of those bad boys for breakfast this morning. Okay, nice birdie. Our Nigerian North Now those precious little friends are going to be all that fiery and of course still their animals going to want to touch. They'll even produce that sweet nutritious milk. But if you're looking deep in these loving eyes, you can even see the rectangular pupils. That allows them a wider field of view. They're able to see all the way around themselves. Now, of course, friends, the words we do use is quaharini, because this means go well. So go well, my friends, and go wild out there. My name's Selena. It has been a pleasure having you. Enjoy your adventures at Animal Kingdom. Maybe push up here. All my friends on the right. Lots of hands, arms, feet, legs. Those doors are opening. And remember, friends, the wilderness must be explored. Go, go, roar!